Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable LDAC codec on your earbuds Sony LinkBuds Fit. You have to start by opening the application, and now as you can see right now we have a C codec. So scroll down, go to device settings, and now again scroll down and you should find Bluetooth connection quality. It would look like this. Click on it and choose sound quality, not stable connection. Okay. And now, if we return here, we could see right here the information that we have LDAC right now. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.